Namaskara Vikshakre, Pranam Satyo and hello fellow sapiens. You are watching Mo Traveler Akshay from this side of the video. Today I am here at Gundal Dam, which is located near Kollegala, about 16 kilometers from Kollegala. Kollegala is a taluk in the Chamarajanagar district of Karnataka. The last stretch of the road taken to reach this point has solar power panels aligned on one side of the road, which gives a good elevated view. This road ends up right in front of the dam, and a right deviation from there takes you to the gates of the Gundal Reservoir. You can see Gundal Jalashaya written in Kannada here, which literally translates to Gundal Reservoir. Purpose of this dam is to provide irrigation to the surrounding villages. The location is provided in the description below. The gates are locked, but you can squeeze yourself in through one of the gaps right next to the gates. Gundal Dam is said to have water collected that flows in via the Gundal River. Another source states that this is naturally collected water that flows in from the surrounding hills. This place is about 150 kilometers from Bangalore and about 80 kilometers from Mysore. So it's an ideal weekend destination. This dam was built by the government of Karnataka in 1980, and the budget that was spent to build this dam at those times was about 4.7 crores. The beauty of grand nature is what you see beyond this dam, which of course has been utilized by us mere humans for our purposes. Here is the controls for the gates of one of the canals of this dam, which provides for a good viewpoint as well. This dam spreads across 697 acres and it can hold about 0.97 TMC of water. This bund that you are seeing, which has been constructed to hold the waters of this reservoir, is completely constructed out of mud. That is the speciality of this dam. There are two canals for this dam, the gates for which you can see here. One out there, in the distance. The other one out there. This dam is located in between Hills and DR Hills, and look at the view that it offers. At the other end of the dam you can find a small temple. Behind this temple is a flight of inclined steps which takes you to a viewpoint. This viewpoint provides you the bird's eye view of the whole area. We reached this place around 8 AM on a Saturday and there was no one around. It was naturally very peaceful and calm with only the chirping of the birds to accompany us. The water levels were low when we visited here on June 2024. I guess it should be a different view to behold during the monsoons. was a beautiful drive to this location, and I've added the driving experience at the end of this video. We deviated at Chanpatna from the Mysore expressway and drove through the village roads to reach here. It was a splendid drive experience indeed. We drove across HD Devegowda barrage on the way which is constructed across Shimsa river in Bengaluru for irrigation purposes. This dam was built in 1995. Hoping you have liked this video. Request to like, share, subscribe, and as I usually say, pour down your emotions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.